The last video we made for this in Tamil, so the person doesn't understand Tamil, and I'm going to do it over again in English. So this will be a shorter form. If you can understand Tamil, you can also go check out the video, which will be shown as a card above. And for this, I'm just going to give a voice note, so which is going to be recorded also. So hope it would be useful for you. And the question here is, so I want to set a small factory with 500 square feet. What will be the approximate investment, a project plan, equipment, labor for a small setup, and what will be the formalities and processes for license? So first thing for this, thank you for your question. It is a new one, and it is like not what many people ask, and thank you for asking this question. So for the first, I'll go order by order. The license you would need for this is the drugs and cosmetic license, which is provided by the drugs and cosmetics department. You can just search it up on Google for drugs and cosmetics department. You would get all the details. You can also search for Drugs and Cosmetics Act Schedule M2, which will give you a detailed description of how your factory premises need to be. In this voice note, I will also give you a brief description, so that will give you an entire detailed description of it. Drugs and Cosmetics Act Schedule M2, you can search it up on Google. It would give you the details. So the first thing, the minimum requirement for a factory size is 100 square meters, which you approximately translate into square feet will come into about 950 to 1200. I'm not very good in math in that. And the equipments you will be needing is a soap making kettle, and a cutting machine, a stamping machine, and weighing machines, packaging supplies and packaging table. So these would be the machines you would be needing, along with the curing rack. And that is what you would be needing. And to submit for the license, we would need to provide bills of the raw materials required, bills of the machineries, photographs, a flow chart of the production process, which I'll explain it to you in a few minutes. And what else is needed? Your trademark certification for the brand, and self-declaration of the employees that work. So talking about employees, when it comes to employees, you would need one chemist who is a full-time employee of your place. He should have completed BSc or MSc in chemistry or B Pharm, and who should also have a minimum 2 year experience in any lab. So for that, you would need his degree certificate, his declaration, his KYC documents, along with the experience certificate. So all this needs to be provided, and a sample of your packaging box which you're going to use, which also mentions the ingredients that is going to be used. So then you would need to also submit your recipe, followed with the test reports for the recipes in any NABL certified lab. And so these are the paperwork you would need to provide for the product. And for the property, you would need to provide the rent agreement. If it is your own property, you would need to provide the property agreement, property tax, EB bill, and along with the floor plan signed by a government approved engineer. So these are the things you would need to provide. And for setting up the facility, I think you can set up a decent factory with an investment of about 5.5 to 6-7 lakhs, which should cover all your machineries, equipment costs, and setup charges, along with procuring raw materials for about 15 days of production, and your procuring of packaging boxes. So that's about it. And this is approximate investment. Yes. And for the flow chart, it should be in an orderly manner. It should start with the raw materials, storage of raw materials, and then the process goes on to manufacturing of the product, and then the next step should be cutting machines, and then it would be your curing rack. The next step would be your stamping machine, then the packing tables, and then the packaging and dispatch section. So this should be the order of the flow chart. So if you're not able to follow anything in this, you can also contact our office and they would help you out. The number would be 8825-414-769. So you can contact that number and they will provide you with more information. So thank you for asking the question and all the best for setting up your process. Thank you. இது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருந்தது அப்படின்னாலும் 8838303139 கம்பெனியோட நம்பருக்கு வாய்ஸ் நோட் பண்ணுங்கள். டைரெக்டாக நான் உங்கள் கேள்விகளுக்கான பதிலை வந்துட்டு வீடியோ மூலயமா கொடுப்பேன். தேங்க்யூ. பை.